I do it, nigga. Yeah, okay, I put up in the years, man, I used to ride Buick. Why you shitty ass to a nigga? Look, throw it at me, think I need a raincoat, but I ain't.
We live? Yeah. Bro, get up. Oh, that's Yachty. Look here, man. You know what's crazy, G? Yachty career been holding on for dear life, man. He know exactly when to drop when everybody seem to be forgetting about him. He know exactly when to drop every time, man. So we gonna see what the fuck he talk about, man. We heavy on the sauce this way. If you need that, hit my Telegram. If you know, you know. We ain't speaking on that too much. Now, this song called Cortex. We gonna see what the fuck he talking about, man. Yachty, you a vet now, man. You no longer that 2016 Rick at the broccoli. You know, we multi-millionaires now. Yachty, you feel me? You got the rocks in your ear now. Let's see how you coming. Cortex, let's get it.
Polishing the goddamn sword, you know what I'm saying?
He finna rap? He finna rap? Okay, Yachty, let's see what you doing.
Polishing the sword.
I'm not gonna cap to y'all. Yachty gotta be gay. It's something about. I don't care if he showed his girlfriend. I think Yachty gay, y'all. He fruity, bro. He fruity. Like he fruity. He down low. He gotta be.
Concrete family, concrete industry, concrete runs up, always. Niggas is not really killers, I seen them shoot up, they treat me like heroin. Everyone wanna be kings, but niggas too soft, see me, I got fair skin. We took the job, need to walk for the low, had to do it, some calling and keratin. My niggas quick to resemble your wig, nickname you take cause he arrogant.
Wait, what'd he say? Needed walk
for low, had to do it, some calling and keratin. My niggas quick to resemble your wig, nickname.
I nicknamed him take cause he arrogant. Nickname him take cause he arrogant. If y'all know what he meant by that, put that in the comments, cause I don't know who Tay is. Let's get it.
Take cause he arrogant. Not in your bitch, make care of my kids. Treat that little bitch like a surrogate.
Treat that little bitch like a surrogate. Okay. He trying to rap now. He trying to go in. He ain't playing no more. Let's get it, y'all.
Buy a new crib cause I needed more space. I'll come out new shit to terabyte. Only if niggas can see what I saw. Take a walk on my shoes, they feel me. Dog if the government knew what I knew publicly, honestly, they kill me.
Hold on, G. Only if niggas can see what I saw. Oh, okay, Yachty. Let me tell y'all something. Rappers be woke. Rappers be woke. Most of them woke. They just don't speak on that deep shit because they real get clapped if they speak too much shit, okay? Hey, listen to what he's saying now, Yachty. You talking that shit, my
I saw take a walk on my shoes, they feel me. Dog if the government knew what I knew publicly, honestly, they kill me.
Yo, Yachty, let us know. Yachty, call me. I want to know what you know, okay? We might know the same things. You feel me? Call me, D. Let's get into it.
Niggas is pussy. We getting paper. I'm in a mo, baby. Fucking your bitch. Yeah.
Run that shit back, man. Because he going in on that. I'll get a paper. I'm in a Maybach. Fuck is you talking about?
Niggas is pussy. We getting paper. I'm in a mo, baby. Fucking your bitch. Yeah. Better than a million. Niggas can't fuck with the boys. Pulling on new Rolls Royce, bitch on Morris, filling my board. Pock fuck blue like boys, nigga too noisy.
Hold on, what'd he say? What'd he say? What'd he say?
On new Rolls Royce, bitch on Morris, filling my board. Pock fuck blue like boys.
Pocket for the blues like boys, okay. I thought he said fucking up blues like boys. I was finna say, hold on, cut.
This nigga too noisy, came around. Keisha simmer like John, need my crown, pearl like oysters. Why go shining like quarters? 10,000 shoes, feeling like hoarders.
10,000 shoes feeling like hoarders, man. He talking that shit right now, man. 10,000 shoes, I couldn't even imagine that, man. 10,000? Damn, bro, that's like 500 million, man. Damn.
Ain't nobody gonna check me. 200,000 I spent on the night, please. Fuck my ass on deadly.
Fuck my ops on deadly. Oh yeah, Yachty trying to. No, let's stop trying to. Stop saying trying to. Yachty rapping now, man. Stop fucking playing.
Now I died to put on my tombstone. All I wanted was respect. Concrete boy, boy, ain't no hold. That's on my set. Yeah. Went from buddy pass to the first class, then we hit them jets. Yeah. Took that Evan in with them big bullets, put it down T-Rex. This ain't book club, this ain't study session. Can I have some sex? I ain't never pressed over no, baby. It's too many hoes. I ain't never content with my life. I got too many goals. I ain't never naked in no club. We got two.
heard what he said, right? I ain't never complained in my life. I got too many goals. Look, ain't no complaining. Make it happen. Do what you gotta do, man. I don't give a fuck how you do it. Do it. Young and May said, never go broke or backwards. If I did it, I did what I had to. Let's get it.
Too many balls. They don't wanna cut those out. We got too many lows. Out in LA, with my little brother, we got too many balls. Niggas is pussy. We getting paper. I'm in the mood. Fucking your bitch. Yeah. Better than a million. Niggas can't fuck with the boys. Pulling out new Rolls Royce. Bitch on Moyes. Fuck my boy. Pocket fuck blue like boys. Niggas too noise. They can't hang around. Keisha simple like John. Need my crown. Pearl like oysters. Why go shopping like quarters? 10,000 shoes. Feeling like hoarders. Damn.
Okay, little boater thing, you feel me? Look here, man. Appreciate y'all for liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting on the videos. Lil Yachty, you talking your shit now, man. We not finna play with these niggas, these little niggas no more. You know, you trying to go for the little top dog. You feel me? Little top dog. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Y'all go fuck with the Cortex Lil Yachty, man. You know what's coming next. Let me line it up and